Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your online jewelry store business. If you run an online jewelry store business, then manually sharing all the new collection and discounts can be a very overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for online jewelry store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Hi gorgeous, welcome to our online jewelry store. What would you like to explore today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says new collection. And it responds me with images of all the new collection like rings and necklaces. So I'm going to select the second option that says size guide. And our chatbot responds us with, "Let's get perfect fit. Here's our guide," and it has provided us with dummy links to the size chart. Lastly, I'm going to click on discounts, and our chatbot responds us with, "Who doesn't love a sparkle on sale?" And it responds me with all the ongoing offers. Also, it says use code GOLD15 at checkout. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for online jewelry store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for your online jewelry store. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to create our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I've added this message, and here I'm going to add little star signs, as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Our message will appear like this to the user. Now with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option, so let's begin with new collection. And for this, I'm going to access this media option from here. And here, I'm going to add all the new collection images. So here I'm going to select media type as image, and here I will drag my new collection jewelry like this, and as we drop the image, the URL will be pasted here automatically. Here I'm going to add caption as rings. Similarly, you can add more collection. Simply click on add content and choose media option and add as many images as you want. You can only add one image at a time. Here I've added all the images of new collection. So we are going to move on to the next option that says size guide. And for this, I'm going to access text button from here, and here I'm going to add all the size guide flow, which will look like this to the user, and here we have provided links from where the user can get size guide. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for discount, and for this, I'm going to access text button again, and here I'm going to add all the discounts like this to make it look more presentable. And our text will appear like this to the user, and this is how we have created WhatsApp chatbot for your online jewelry store with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have completed your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.